For thousands of years, money had weight. Gold. Something you could touch, measure, hide, or steal. Gold didn't need trust. It didn't need promises. It didn't need permission, and then quietly gold disappeared. Not from museums, not from jewelry, but from the center of the global financial system. Today, countries don't trade gold. They trade promises. They trade debt. So, how did something real get replaced by something invisible? To understand this, we need to drop one dangerous belief: that money is neutral. Money has always been power. Empires didn't just conquer land. They controlled currency. Kings didn't just rule armies. They ruled mints. Gold was a problem for rulers. Because gold is limited, and governments hate limits. When gold was locked away for safety, people were given paper receipts. Those papers were easier to carry. Soon, people stopped asking for the gold itself. Then came the realization that changed everything. Not everyone asks for their gold back at the same time, so more receipts were printed than gold existed. Debt was born not as a crisis, but as a clever trick. After world wars drained global gold reserves, the system reached a breaking point. In 1971, the gold standard quietly ended. From that moment on, money was no longer backed by gold. It was backed by debt. Gold limits spending. Debt encourages endless expansion. That's why debt won. And now the real question isn't whether debt replaced gold. It already has. The real question is, what happens when trust runs out? If you want to understand money, before the next reset, subscribe. Because the most dangerous systems are the ones everyone accepts as normal.